Navigating the climate crisis, strategies for mitigation and adaptation. The global climate crisis presents one of the most pressing challenges of our time, with far-reaching implications for ecosystems, economies, and human well-being. As temperatures rise, extreme weather events become more frequent, and natural habitats face unprecedented threats, the urgency to address climate change through mitigation and adaptation strategies has never been greater. This essay explores the strategies and approaches essential for navigating the climate crisis effectively. Understanding climate change. At the core of climate change are greenhouse gas emissions, primarily carbon dioxide, Colorado 2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, which trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, contribute significantly to these emissions, exacerbating the climate crisis. Mitigation strategies. Mitigation strategies aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit the pace and magnitude of climate change. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, plays a crucial role in reducing CO2 emissions from fossil fuel combustion. Additionally, improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industries reduces overall energy consumption and emissions. The promotion of sustainable land use practices, including reforestation, afforestation, and sustainable agriculture, helps sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating its impact. Furthermore, adopting cleaner technologies, promoting circular economies, and implementing carbon pricing mechanisms incentivize businesses and individuals to reduce their carbon footprint. Adaptation strategies. Adaptation strategies focus on building resilience and adapting to the impacts of climate change that are already occurring or inevitable due to past emissions. Enhancing climate resilience in infrastructure, such as developing flood-resistant buildings, improving drainage systems, and implementing green infrastructure, helps mitigate the risks of extreme weather events, including floods, storms, and heat waves. Investing in climate-smart agriculture practices, resilient water management systems, and nature-based solutions, such as coastal protection through mangrove restoration, enhances communities' ability to cope with changing climate conditions. Additionally, integrating climate considerations into urban planning, disaster preparedness, and public health strategies ensures adaptive responses to climate-related challenges. Holistic approaches. Effective climate action requires a holistic approach that combines mitigation and adaptation strategies while addressing social, economic, and environmental dimensions. Enhancing climate education and awareness, fostering international cooperation and partnerships, and prioritizing climate justice and equity are integral to successful climate action. Empowering vulnerable communities, including indigenous peoples, marginalized groups, and low-income populations, to participate in decision-making processes and access climate resilience resources is essential for building inclusive and equitable climate solutions. Furthermore, leveraging innovative technologies, data-driven solutions, and interdisciplinary research strengthens the evidence-based foundation for climate policy and action. Conclusion. Navigating the climate crisis demands urgent and concerted efforts to implement comprehensive mitigation and adaptation strategies. By transitioning to a low-carbon economy, enhancing climate resilience, promoting sustainable practices, and fostering collaboration at local, national, and global levels, we can address the challenges posed by climate change effectively. The time to act is now. Through collective action, innovation, and commitment to sustainability, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change, protect vulnerable communities, and build a more resilient and sustainable future for generations to come.